Good day, everybody. Bevo here. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Welcome back to Space Engineers, everyone. So, all right, guys, I'm heading over to our Luna Belt station. So this is going to be a return home for us. A return home back to the Luna Belt station, which is somewhere we haven't been in a long time. Here it is. Okay, let's not run into this. Yeah, I wanted to record facing Earth because it looks beautiful, but I was actually flying over in this direction right here. So I'm glad I didn't run into anything while I wasn't actually looking where I was going. So here we are back over at the Luna Belt station. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look how small it looks next to the vault. We have a name now. Vertical Orbital Launch Transporter. So yeah, VOLT, which is an anagram of VTOL, right? So the votes are in. This is what y'all decided for the name. I am excited. I love that name. I think y'all did an amazing job on picking out a name for this. So VOLT, and the colors just absolutely work perfect for it. So, okay, let's go ahead and I want to head over here to the Luna Belt station, mostly because we haven't been here. And wow, my gosh, it's been what, 25 episodes since we've been over here to Luna Belt station. It looks like it's shut down. It's probably run out of power. Yeah, it's probably run out of uranium and all that kind of good stuff. But look, we have all of our ships are still here. Our refinery is over there. We can still see our refinery back over there. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, let's go ahead and head on into this sucker right here. Oh, you're out of power. Okay, we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Uh-oh. What did I just destroy? I have no idea. Oh, look how dark it is in here. Oh, this guy's spooky. I need to bring some uranium over here and get the power back up and running over here. I guess I'm going to have to do the same thing over there at the refinery. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of work right over here. I'm thinking I want to build a tug for this guy, right? So I want to build a tug for all of the cargo containers. And I want to stock up these cargo containers with some materials. And then we're going to head on down to Earth. Right this episode. So yeah, so we'll be right back in a moment to go ahead and head on down to Earth. Now, I want to build a station right here on this side of Earth. You remember episode 1 where we actually landed on Earth in episode 1 when we started? That is on the opposite side of Earth here, right? So it's on the opposite side of Earth from where the moon is. Look at that. You know, something interesting. We were talking about eclipses, 2 or 3 episodes back, right? It's always interesting to me that the fact that, when we look at the moon and when we look at the sun, from our perspective, they are the exact same size in the sky, okay? And that is only because the moon is a certain size and it's a certain distance from Earth that it takes up a certain amount of degrees in the night sky, right? Now, that's just a coincidence. That is only a coincidence. There is no actual physics behind why that is, okay? That's just the moon happens to be that size. So when that planet came in and smashed into Earth, right? When the planet came in and smashed into Earth and pretty much destroyed Earth, right? And it threw out a whole bunch of Earth and that planet out, it started going around Earth like that right there. And then all that material eventually formed up into the moon. The amount of material that was thrown up when the two planets collided just happens to be at a certain distance and a certain amount of material to be that certain size to make up that many degrees in the night sky, which is about 4 degrees, I believe, in the night sky, which is the exact same as the degrees of the sun. So when the moon on Earth, right, from our perspective down there, does an eclipse, when it gets out in front of the sun, yeah, they're the exact same size. So it perfectly covers up the sun so we can see the atmosphere, how I was talking about a few episodes back. Yeah, that's always been really interesting to me. I'm sorry, that has nothing to do with space engineers. I don't know why I talk about this stuff. But okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make a tug, and I'm going to get this sucker right here up and running. I'm excited to be back over here at Luna Belt Station. I'm going to have to go and check on the refinery over there. Do you guys have any uranium in you? Let's go ahead and check and see. Okay, so you have a little bit of uranium in you. We'll go ahead and throw you in here and get this sucker right here back up and running. And so the medical bay I just respawned at, yeah, it is over here at Earth. It's some kind of lunar exploration vessel, which is, see, there's the moon right there, and there's Earth. The station, right? So our station is back over this way. So we're going to go ahead and head off into that direction right there. And so that's good. That's good. That means I don't have to, well, I mean, I could have gotten the Fluffalo freight or something like that from over at Mars. That's probably a thing that I could have done. But anyway, I'm going to head off over here in this direction. Hopefully that uranium's still going to be floating around over there. I have a whole bunch of uranium on the vault as well. So we go ahead and use that to power up the Luna Belt station. So yeah. It is so nice being back home over here at our lunar belt station. Oh, it's fantastic. This is like home to me. This is home to me. This is our first big project that we built right here. Yeah, lunar belt station. This is where we built the Pioneer. All the good things came from here. Well, except for Volt. Oh, Volt came. Well, Volt is a product of a lot of stuff. Volt is just a product of our progress. Yeah. So I added more reactors right here. I also added a whole bunch of batteries on here. So I still haven't done interiors. That's what something, you know, we're going to continue building on Volt for a long time. So Volt is just a project that's going to be, you know, continuing, you know, on and on and on and on and on. I added batteries back over there. And then I added this. This is our tug. It's just a big bundle of engines. So yeah. Now I am not sure how these batteries. You see, I added some batteries right here. This was one of your suggestions, actually. This was a suggestion down in the comments that is just amazing. Thank you so much for this suggestion. Tell me, what's the best way to go about setting the? Should I just do like this? I just leave everything unchecked, but I don't understand how these batteries work very well. I've never had a very good grasp of Space Engineers, kind of how the batteries work. You know, for me, batteries are just kind of like a bucket of water, right? You pour some in, you take some out, you pour some in, you take some out. That's not how they work as Space Engineers. So I don't know. I turned our flight seat around. Actually, this is a different type of flight seat. This is a control panel. I thought we'd use a control panel from here on out. So let's head on down here to Earth. Let's go ahead and shake it all about. Let's see. So, okay, I do have an atmospheric lander. So you kind of see that little green thing over there on kind of the middle hangar, right? Where the little small ship kind of like little platform is, right? Where we store our small ships. And I have those guys over there. So it looks like everybody's landing gears are all appropriate. Okay, we don't have any little blue welders in front of us, I hope. So I guess we'll find out here eventually. Hope we don't run into any little blue welders. Yeah, rip blue welder. I'm so sad about him. That little blue welder, man, he welded up all kinds of amazing things for us. Until I hit him like a baseball bat. So, all right, we're going to go land somewhere right over here. I'm thinking, I want our landing area to be somewhere along the equator. You kind of see the South Pole right down there, right? So I'm aiming for somewhere maybe up, kind of up topish, right? Where that should be the equator right up there somewhere. Yeah, so that should be a good spot. It looks like there's a little bit of desert up there somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, the reason I turned our flight control seat around is because I realized, you know what? I want the horizon indicator to be in front of us. With the flight seat facing that direction back over there, the horizon indicator would have been kind of the other way. Well, that was weird. No idea what happened there. Okay, guys, here we go. We're coming in for a little bit of a landing. I keep moving my head around my microphone. Like I'm trying to look around at my ship. Here I'm looking around to the right of my ship, to the left of my ship, trying to find a good landing spot. Yeah, so I'm trying to think of places that would be really fun for having a rover. So I want to have rovers all over the place. I want to be able to do a lot of roving around, right? Because, well, obviously, it sounds like fun. I'm also thinking that right over there, a beautiful view of that little lake right there might be kind of cool. So I'm aiming right above the lake, and I'm thinking that we'll land somewhere like maybe right over here somewhere. That might be like a really cool spot right there. Let's go ahead and pull this up right here. We do need to keep an eye on our heat, right? So we're going to have like heat is going to start happening here. We're going in pretty fast. I have my dampeners turned off. So we'll go ahead and keep the dampeners turned off right here. Power usage overloaded. What? No. Please don't do that. Why is my power usage overloaded? Please don't be overloaded. Dampeners on, off. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's just kind of being derpy. I don't know. So somewhere right over there should be a good spot. We're going to start getting atmospheric drag here pretty soon. So I'm guessing around... Oh, we're coming in really, really fast. We're coming in like super fast. Yeah, we should probably... Let's go ahead and point ourselves towards the horizon. So something like this right here. Okay. So we're pointed at the horizon right there. Okay. So somewhere, let's see, did we already go? Oh, I can't see because of the clouds. I'm thinking we're right over the lake right now. So we want to get going down. We want to get going down here. Let's go and turn our dampeners on. Yeah, let's go in a downward position. I think that would be good. All right. It looks like we are still a little bit over the lake. I could barely see it through the clouds over there. Oh, heat level's going up. Heat level's going up. Uh-oh. That's not good. All right. We'll have to keep an eye on our altitude here and our heat levels. Yeah, see, this is why I moved my seat around, so I can actually have that horizon indicator right there. I know which way's up. Okay, so we're not quite over the lake. We're not quite over the lake. We want to keep on going off in this direction over here. Probably should not be speeding up as we're doing this. We'll turn our dampeners on here a little bit, slow us down. Okay, our heat level is going down. I think if we stay under 500, we're okay. If we get over 500, then bad things start to happen. So let's go forwards a little bit, and we'll just go ahead and dampeners off. We'll keep our dampeners off. Okay, so it looks like we're past the lake. It looks almost like there's like a little... Oh, that would be a cool... That's where I want to land. Right there, right there, right there. On that, you see that where that bluff is overlooking the lake? That would be amazing. That would be amazing. Okay, dampeners on. Dampeners on. A warning. Okay, so we were over 500 and we got the heat warning. Yeah, so that's not good. That's not good. Okay. We got our dampeners on. I want right over there by that bluff. Right by that bluff overlooking the lake. That would be amazing. Okay, on down we go. What's our altitude? 7 kilometers. Okay. That works for me. That works for me. Okay, on down we go. Yeah, look at that. And it looks like just to the... Like the bluff kind of goes around. It's like a valley that goes up towards that desert, right? So I'd like to be able to take our rovers out over there to that desert pretty easy. It looks like there's like a little valley that kind of goes up that direction right there. And there's actually like little, you see right there where we could actually bring right behind my engines, right? So kind of where my engines are. It looks like we could probably bring a rover down into that valley over to the lake super easy right there. So that would be really cool. And it'll be up on a bluff overlooking the valley, so we'll be somewhat protected. So heat level looks like it's still doing well. Heat level is still doing well. Okay. That might get bad once we get really probably less than I'm guessing 2 kilometers. The atmosphere is going to get extremely dense like really fast. It's kind of what I would expect to happen. The mathematics behind all this is it's not bad. It's like for a game like Space Engineers, it's really not all that bad. The mathematics, I didn't actually do the calculations for terminal velocity, you know, trying to get, well, atmospheric efficiency is more of a takeoff kind of thing, not as opposed to a landing kind of thing. But I didn't actually do the mathematics behind all that, but I don't think it's that bad. I think it's actually pretty good. I mean, it's not realistic, but you know, it's not horrible. It's kind of got a foundation of, let's see. Let's land right over here. Yeah, this is going to be a beautiful spot. This should be a beautiful spot. Okay, right over here somewhere. On down we go. Yeah. Now, I don't know if we're actually going to be able to land this thing. You know what? We could probably land it on the lake. I bet we could land this thing on the lake, but we're not going to be able to actually land this thing on land. It's just too big. It's too big, right? Right? The lands, we're not going to have a flat area, you know, an area that's going to be flat enough to actually land this thing. Unless we just built like a huge thing of concrete. We could do that. I mean, there's no reason we can't. You know, we can actually use concrete now. Hey, there's our shadow. There's our shadow. All right. So it looks, this is pretty slopey right here. Let's head on over this way. All right. So we're at 400 meters. 400 meters. I wonder where that's measuring from. Like what part of my ship that's actually measuring it from. Probably where my cockpit is. Because my ship, I'm pretty sure it's over 400 meters long. Yeah. Okay. 300 meters. All right. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. That looks pretty flat, that little bluff right there. Looks like not too slopey. All right. Think this is low enough? We can come down a little bit more. And where's our shadow? All right, we're just going to go ahead and watch our shadow here. Okay. All right. Okay, this is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and line up with our horizon indicator. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up this right here. So, yeah, I totally derped up. This thing right here, I had it on right here. I had it toggle block on and off as opposed to open and close, right? I'm such a derp. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and park the sucker right here. It's just going to continue to hover. Do I have my dampeners on? I think so. Okay. All right, so on over here we go. I had to redo the cockpit on this thing because there's a bug actually involved with all this. So I had to redo this cockpit. So let's see here. I want to go ahead and turn my engines. Let's see, groups right here. Atmospheric thrusters, we'll go ahead and have you on and off. And then ion thrusters, we'll go ahead and have you on and off. Okay, so let's go and turn these on and turn these on. Unlock. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, I need to be careful about that. There we go. Whoa! I forgot how powerful this back engine right here is. I totally forgot about that. Okay, so here we go. Whee! All right. Okay, this is our little helicopter atmospheric flyer. Oh, look at you! Look at you! Oh, that thing looks amazing. Yeah, it really does look good, doesn't it? Right here on Earth. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's fly over here and get a look at it from over the bluff. Yeah, this is how I always fly this thing. All right, let's go ahead and hit on down a little bit. And I'd like to get a look at this thing from the bluff over here. Oh, look at that. Look at the volts. Oh, it looks amazing. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe build a base right along this little bluff right here. Might be super cool. Overlooking this little valley right here. Let's go see how far off is that desert. Let's go ahead and hit off in this direction right here. Whee! Oh, this little atmospheric flyer is amazing. Oh, gosh. Okay, let's go over here. All right, let's see. The desert's not too far. We could actually probably get up over there that way pretty easy as well. Yeah, oh, I think I got way too high. Yeah, I got way too high. All right. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, let me start unpacking. Let me go ahead and start unpacking our vault over here. And we'll go ahead and set up like a little area for where we're going to build our base. Yeah. It's so creepy. It's dark, and then the red lighting is just amazing. It's amazing. So it is dark, so we're gonna have to wrap up our video here pretty soon. I'm not sure that we're gonna have time. That I personally am gonna have time to wait until the morning to start doing my unpacking. Morning game in game, right? You know what I mean. But let's see here. I do want to try doing the. I added a bunch of lights onto our tug, so there we go. So we'll have a little bit of lighting here. Let's go ahead and try out our camera here. So, oh goodness, we're not even close to being properly aligned. Let's go ahead and, okay. We'll face you like this right here. Okay, and let's go ahead and do our tug. So we need to go ahead and back up a little bit. Alrighty, and right here. This is about right. Let's go ahead and lower ourselves right here. Okay, we have our merge block is turned on. Okay, and, hit on down just like this. Okay, I see it. It's got the light, so it's got the magnetic pull is going on here, so that's good. We'll go ahead and jump out of this screen right here. Oh, okay, so it looks like we're merged. All right, fantastic. So we are all merged up with our tug is connected. Okay, so on this screen right here I actually have a whole bunch of stuff. So let's see here. Let's see. So this is, I think, cargo number 3. Let's go ahead and turn this on right here. I'll go ahead and extend this out a bit right here like this. And let's go ahead and see. Yeah, okay, so this is cargo number 3. All right, fantastic. We'll go ahead and close you up right here. And control panel. Let's see. We'll go ahead and turn this off now. Okay, so number 3 key should go ahead and unmerge that. I've already cut everything away. Okay. Let's go ahead and watch this. And, oops, don't back up. Up we go. All right. And our tug is carrying our little cargo container. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take it off into this direction over here. Looks like I'm kind of facing the wrong direction here. Okay, so we're going to park it somewhere right over here. It's dark. Yeah, apparently I need better reactors on this thing. Yeah, I guess I do need some battery reactors on this thing. That's all right, though. All right, well, it's a little bit too dark for me to actually be doing this at night. This is a bad idea. There's no way this ends well. No way this ends well at night, especially since I don't have proper reactor for this. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and wrap up right here. Thank you all very much for hanging out, everyone. Oh, gosh, look at our ship back there. Look at our ship. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights here. Let's see, which ones are the lights? Oh, this. Okay. Oh my gosh, I almost undid the merge thing. Yeah, I was actually clicking on the button to, there we go. Oh, look at that. All right, thank you all very much for hanging out, everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye. You remember episode 1, where we actually landed on Earth in episode 1 when we started? That is on the opposite side of Earth here, right? So it's on the opposite side of Earth from where the moon is. Look at that. Something interesting. We were talking about eclipses, 2 or 3 episodes back, right? It's always interested to me that the fact that, when we look at the moon and when we look at the sun, from our perspective, they are the exact same size in the sky, okay? And that is only because the moon is a certain size and it's a certain distance from... Okay, let's go ahead and I want to head over here to the Lunar Belt Station, mostly because we haven't been here. And wow, my gosh, it's been, what, 25 episodes since we've been over here to the Lunar Belt Station? It looks like it's shut down. It's probably run out of power. Yeah, it's probably run out of uranium and all that kind of good stuff. But look, we have all of our ships are still here. Our refinery is over there. We can still see our refinery back over there. Oh, that's exciting. That's exciting. Okay, let's go ahead and head on into this sucker right here. Oh, you're out of power. You're out of power. Okay, we're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. Uh-oh. What did I just destroy? I have no idea. Good day, everybody. Bevo here. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Welcome back to Space Engineers, everyone. So, all right, guys, I'm heading over to our Lunar Belt Station. So this is going to be a return home for us. A return home back to the Lunar Belt Station, which is somewhere we haven't been in a long time. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, let's not run into this. Yeah, I wanted to record facing Earth because it looks beautiful. Oh, look how dark it is in here. Look how dark it is in here. Oh, it's kind of spooky. I need to bring some uranium over here and get the power back up and running over here. I guess I'm going to have to do the same thing over there at the refinery. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of work right over here. I'm thinking I want to build a tug for this guy, right? So I want to build a tug for all of the cargo containers. And I want to stock up these cargo containers with some materials. And then we're going to head on down to Earth. Right this episode. So yeah, so we'll be right back in a moment to go ahead and head on down to Earth. Now, I want to build a station right here on this side of Earth. But I was actually flying over in this direction right here. So I'm glad I didn't run into anything while I wasn't actually looking where I was going. So here we are back over at the Lunar Belt Station. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look how small it looks next to the vault. Next to the vault. We have a name now. Vertical Orbital Launch Transporter. So yeah, VOLT, which is an anagram of VTOL, right? So the votes are in. This is what y'all decided for the name. I am excited. I love that name. I love that name. I think y'all did an amazing job on picking out a name for this. So VOLT, and the colors just absolutely work perfect for it. So